Hello YouTube, this is another video tour of my Snap-on, my 68-inch Snap-on Epiq double bank toolbox. So this is the model number, let me see it on my phone here, KER682C2PCM. Now, I'm selling this box because I'm looking to hopefully switch careers soon, so I could use that money to fund my tuition fees. So I'll start from the top, and feel free to pause this video at any time and take a close-up of anything you want to see and find detail there. I'm filming this in 4K, hopefully 60 frames per second. So starting from the top here, this one has a power top, the stainless steel power top with LED lighting, so it illuminates all of your tools while you open the drawers. I still have the protective film on there, which protected as much as it can. Some of the film is bubbling up and scratched. So it has a dual power bars here. This one is hutch ready. So I'll start from the top, and then I'll just do a quick scan over and try to explain what I have going on here. So you have your Snap-on half-inch drive shallow impact sockets as well. These are called universal. They're called the universal sockets, made by Husky, and they're good for 12-point bolts, as well as inverted Torx, and you can use them on regular bolts as well, apparently. And I have actual inverted Torx here, made by a local company called Jet. And this inverted Torx set goes from, let me get a close-up on the brand there. Yeah. This inverted Torx set goes from 4 mils all the way up to 20. So I could do the majority of your stuff here. So this stuff I'd say is mostly cheap, and then Snap-on, mostly cheap stuff, cheap chrome stuff. Again, mostly cheap stuff. Then you got Toyota oil filter sockets, GM Ecotech oil filter socket. Then you have your cheap chrome sockets. Nothing special about those. Cheap quarter drive ratchet. Ooh, gold. Mac Tools Mini Flex Head quarter drive ratchet. Mac Tools medium quarter drive flex head ratchet, fine tooth count, very nice. And of course I have my 10 mils. This is where stuff gets really pricey. So I got this from your cooler line disconnect tools. Snap-on shallow hex pick sockets. It's worth a pretty penny. Snap-on deep hex pick sockets. The deep, not deep, this is regular, I believe. So the regular size runs from 4 mils all the way up to 14. The deep, the shallows, run from 10 all the way down to 3 mils. And the smaller ones here are quarter drive, all the way up to your 6 mil. And then starting at the 7 mil, it starts at a 3/8 drive. So you have your shallow, hex pick sockets, your normal hex pick sockets, and then you got these deep ones as well, made by Snap-on. And the deep ones run from 10 mil all the way down to 4 mils. And then once again, I also have Snap-on swivel sockets, swivel impact sockets. Let's see if I can get a close up on the brand there. Yeah, so this runs from a 10 And lifetime warranty on these ones, so this is worth it. Lifetime warranty on Snap-on. So it runs from a 10 all the way up to, actually I have the size right there. From a 10 all the way up to 18. That's for your deep and your shallow. So let's do a quick scan over once again here. This is a nice tool. Snap-on. Flex head. Long ratchet. This is a cheap breaker bar. It's from a cheap store brand. And Precision Instruments 1/2-inch torque wrench. This one has a one-way ratchet. So it's built just like the Snap-on torque wrenches. Alright, you also got your impact driver and some axle nuts. So that's from the top drawer. So now starting at the second drawer, you got some Mastercraft chrome wrenches. This is a Canadian Tire brand. Missing the 10 mil, so it goes from the 11. Oh shoot, it's my 12. So it goes from your 11 all the way up to the 24. I'll go slowly, so as I said, just feel free to pause the video and pan around here. So you have a local brand, Jet Tools Crowfoot socket. Then you also have these flex head ratchet wrenches. Some are missing. So missing the 14 and the 10. Panning back around here, got the Mac Tools flex head line wrenches. Going from an 8 all the way up to a 21. And for this one set, I also bought the 9/16 just because a 14 wasn't fitting right on some things. It's a lifesaver. Right. Now starting from the third drawers, open both banks actually. Third drawers, you got your Mac Tools trim clip tools, metal. You also have your drum brake adjuster set, drum brake toolkit, and not shown in video because I don't have it here. These are the adapters for a coolant funnel. And this is like just a junk drawer where I keep all my stuff, all my papers, and try to do all my writing here. So this box is 68 inches wide and 30 inches deep. So now fourth drawer down. Let's keep this drawer empty. Oh, this is the star of the show. These are fresh. These are good. Knipex wrench pliers. These things open up and see if I can do it one-handed. Basically, the point of these ones is that they stay uniform no matter how far you have it open, so it remains like a wrench. See how they remain? See how the claws remain parallel to each other? That's a very nice feature. So I have the 10-inch and the 7/4. These will be included in the sale.
Parts are on the way over.
Okay.
That new housing doesn't come with the filter, does it?
It comes with a filter, yeah.
Oh, it does?
Not the gaskets.
No, it comes with the oil filter?
Yep.
Good. I'm trying to save money because maybe nobody priced that out.
Oh.
Anyway, hurry up. Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry about that. So this is fourth drawer down. Just really keep all. These aren't occupied yet. This is put all my overflow papers. So now we are. Did I open this one already? Yeah. So now we are. Oh, this is the 6th drawer. So now we are at the 6th drawer down. And this is a power style. This is a power collection here. Did I show you guys this drawer? Oh shoot. I'll do that again. So yeah, 5th drawer is here. This is where I keep all of my empty stuff. Knipex pliers and Mastercraft screwdrivers. So I'll close those gently. These drawers are so massive and they slide easy. They would actually carry a lot of weight with them. So I have various pliers here. This is a star of my show here for this drawer. Blue Point spark plug wire pliers. This is also good for moving block heaters. Block heater cords, I mean, from their heating elements. Mac tool plier pouch. This was their 11-piece bag. And also have some Amazon tools in here. So hose clamp pliers, flexible style. CV boot clamp pliers. Mac tools. Seal puller. And I also have a right angle, I guess you call it, hose clamp. Boot clamp pliers. This is good for installing bellow boots on the vehicle in tight places. If you're reusing the bellow boot clamp or putting a new one on with a crimper on it. So we'll scan over this one slowly. Just pause whenever you want. So starting here, you got Mac tools, 3/8 ratchet, Snap-on 3/8 cordless ratchet, and a Mastercraft mini or short 3/8 ratchet. Snap-on ear hammer. Forget the tool number on that one. Actually, I might have it here. Nope, I have a boot on there. This one, if you know, you know what you're buying. Okay. So I have a mixture of DeWalt, Mac, and Snap-on. So Mac tools. Got the model number of this one. 1/2-inch impact. Mac tools. This is their current version. Brushless series, 1/2-inch impact, and then you got the Milwaukee 3/8 fuel 3/8 impact with the boot. You got your drills, Mac tool drill bits. Mac tool drills. Cheap right angle drill. I also got a the Mac Tools right angle drill. This is a Canadian Tire brand, another Mastercraft brand. So this is cheap, I would say. So it goes cheap, good, cheap. And I also got my various supplies here. So cleaner wheels, all kinds of good stuff. So I'll zoom out, pan out real quick, just to get a gist. Now this is the expensive drawer. So, got the Snap-on Ferris Edge Snap-on 76 tap and die set, and a Snap-on thread chaser kit. Let's see if this one's on. This is the current update. Oh, it's about to die. See if it'll power up just in time. This does have the 21.4. I'm just trying to get it on video. In the meantime, I'll also open this up to show you guys. Get it in time? Will it get it in time? It's loading up. Let's see if the battery